Hello guys, it's me, Candice Katan. We are here now in Iverdon Lake. And this place, this one, is protected para to sa mga swan nga na dito nangingitlog. Bawal dito maglakad-lakad or etc. in this part. Yes guys, before tayo pupunta sa mountain, dumaan muna kami dito sa Lake of Everdon. Here, we're gonna walk around. I'll show you a bit and continue to the mountain. Yes, like in Ron River.
It's totally the place where all the birds, the swan, they give birth, they have a little house.
So nice here. Look at their park. It's so wide and more trees. And they put more baby trees here. This is the Everdon Park beside the lake. Everdon Lake. All the dog is so happy. Look at all the swans there. What all these trees is, look, there's a balls inside.
Yes, I didn't see. I didn't notice. That's so funny. All the place. Right.
Yeah. Look at these trees. It look like there's a nest. Look. Look like there's a balls of this. There's a balls in these trees. But it's not. It's a flower or kind of fruits of the trees. So let's continue walking around here in the Lake of Iverdon. So big their park. It's a park here above Iverdon that beside of the lake. Yeah. So big. It's good to walk here always. Look, there is a lake already that I showed you a while ago. Yeah. The sun is come out tomorrow. There's a little river there. Oh, so cool. Look, they are cleaning all the leaves, dry leaves. They are using the rake and blower to clean up the dry leaves, the falling leaves. So beautiful. It's so big park though.
Yes. Yeah. So good to entertain the park. Look at it. So clean.
Yes, they clean it good.